You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m=3/2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract m from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 6 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is m=3/2.